Hi everyone! In today's lesson, let's talk about the use of this, that, these, and those. This is an apple. That is an apple. These are apples. Those are apples. We say this when the object is near us. For example, this is an apple. Also, it is only one apple, so it is singular. Next, we say that when the object is far from us. That is an apple. This is also singular. Next, we have the word these. These are apples. There is more than one apple, so it is plural. And we don't say this are apples, we use the word these instead of this and say these are apples. It is the same for those. Those are apples. There is more than one apple, so it is plural, and the word that changes into those. This is a ball. That is a ball. This is my dog. That is my dog. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep us subscribed for more useful videos. Thank you.